Today let's talk about toggle bolts. A normal toggle bolt, an easy to install toggle bolt, and a very heavy duty toggle bolt. Let's get started right now. Alright guys, we're going to get started with just a regular toggle bolt. You can find these just about anywhere. All you have to do is get the toggle bolt, figure out what size hole you need to drill. It's usually on the side of the package. Drill the hole in the wall, making sure not to hit any pipes or wires. And then you're going to thread your toggle bolt through whatever fastener you'll be using before you put it in the wall, and just put the entire assembly into the wall and tighten it up. Alright, the next one we're going to try out is the Drywall Toggle Anchor by Ancor. The only thing you have to do on this one is make sure those arrows are facing up and down when you're finished putting in the anchor. All you have to do is take a screwdriver and decide where you need this anchor in the wall and start screwing it into the wall. Once it's poked through the drywall, just push it the rest of the way, get it flush mount to the wall, make sure those arrows are facing up and down, and you just mount whatever it is you need to mount. Alright, the third one we'll be doing is toggle bolts by Toggler, and these are interesting because they're very heavy duty. This is supposed to hold up to 265 pounds, which we'll be testing out at the end of the video. Same thing as the first one, you just have to figure out what size hole to drill. Drill that out, making sure not to hit any pipes or wires, and then you're just going to take this entire assembly and push it through the hole in the wall. And there's a little zip tie mechanism that we're going to push that all the way up flush to the wall. Once that's done, we just have to break these plastic arms off and mount your bracket. Alright guys, I got some help. I'm going to try to stand on this last one since it says it can hold 265 pounds. So I'm just going to put my foot in the rope and try to stand on it and see if it holds. That's crazy. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and please subscribe.